Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, the 30th of May. We'll start here with a surface weather depiction. You can see this green hatched area is rain and thunderstorms expected for the next 24 hours here on Wednesday night, and that's due to all this line of almost shapeless but low pressure all along the coast in the Pacific Northwest. And we have high pressure out here in the central Rockies, and in between we have south winds bringing up all this Gulf of California moisture. It's unstable air. It's moist, and so as it makes its way in here, you can see that for today they're trying to limit it to mostly areas here in the central Idaho mountains and the extreme western end of our forecast area here, but there's also some stuff here east in the sort of the Targhee National Forest area as well. This is a mix of precipitation at high elevations. I would say above 8,500 feet. It may be snow, but it would only be at night, and it's not going to accumulate too much. This is all convective in nature, showers and thunderstorms. So, and it's primarily driven, as you can see, there's no cold front moving through. This is all driven by basically the afternoon high temperatures making the air unstable and triggering thunderstorms and showers. So that's what we expect. So it's all primarily focused in the afternoon and in the evening hours when we're at maximum heating. So here you can see likely threat of showers and thunderstorms in the central Idaho mountains and in the south central highlands down here. A little bit less in the mountains over here on our border with Wyoming, and almost nothing is expected at least in the Snake River Plain. You may see something in the Burley area and in the eastern Magic Valley. High temperatures will continue their warming trend. So in spite of the cloud cover, this warm air is coming in. It is definitely warmer even with the clouds. In the evening, you can see here between 6 p.m. and midnight, it will taper off, but still be a presence. We aren't looking for any winds here in the next 3 days either. They're generally light. I would say the maximum would be 12 miles an hour at the most, and most of that's going to be on the ridges or in the Snake River Plain. Here's the overnight lows for Thursday night tonight. You can see it's mainly upper 30s through the 40s. See here, basically a repeat, although they do spread the moisture here on Friday back into all of the Snake River Plain. And again, you see there's been very little movement in this line of low pressure. It might be coming a little bit further east, but nevertheless, we still have this southerly airflow bringing up this moist, unstable air. So again, pretty much a repeat, although I would say generally higher percentages, especially down in the valley locations for us, but still just a chance of showers and thunderstorms, and it's become more likely here in the eastern highlands, and very much the same for the central Idaho mountains and the south central highlands. High temperatures with the cloud cover increasing, there's not as much of a warm up. In fact, some places staying the same, maybe going down a little bit, but not by much. And again, in the evening hours, considerably less. You can basically cut it by about a third as far as the percent chance threat. And again, it will die off after midnight. Overnight lows, a little more mild, especially with the cloud cover. Some places staying in the 50s in the eastern Magic Valley. Again, a repeat here for Saturday night. And so we are looking for continued, likely, even categorical in some of these places in the central Idaho mountains. And so we're just looking for more showers and thunderstorms. The temperature you can see here is starting to rise again. I'd say about 2 to 4 degree increase, but continued high relative humidity every afternoon during this short-term period. And again, in the evening, it dies down. and overnight lows staying very mild. Even Stanley, which should normally at this time of year on a clear night would be below freezing, here you can say it's staying well above freezing, around 38 degrees. The extended period, look for continued cloudy, rainy conditions for Sunday and Sunday night. It will start to clear a little bit on Monday and Monday night, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, you can actually see we're finally getting a break. All these lows will be moving sort of to the south, the whole pattern shifting south, and so we're getting drier air and more westerly wind for Tuesday and Wednesday, which is why it's going to be breezy in the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley in the evening. And we are looking at temperatures, though, with the clearer skies, in spite of the fact that the wind shift is to the west, temperatures are warming. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always call us at this 24-hour, 7-day-a-week number, or check out the weather yourself at any time you wish at weather.gov/Pocatello. If you have any comments on the content or any feedback for us about the briefing, contact by emailing our webmaster by emailing him at this web address. Thanks for watching.